Happy to be back. Happy to be alive. Let's get into it. What is the stock I'm talking about? What is it? Arista. Yeah, Arista. Why are we talking about this stock? Well, people, this is Miss Moneymaker. Welcome back to Anything That Moves. Do you see how it's up nicely 2,000% from all time? Look how that goes. Look how that goes. I like that. And so I'm showcasing it. This is what it looks like, okay, on the daily, okay? So this is the year. So for the last year. I like to have some stocks where I don't have to worry about what it's doing every day. I don't want to have patterns that look like this all the time. And you just break even for the year because your stock goes up, goes back down, and then you turn around, the years pass, you made no profit. All right. So I like to showcase something that nicely follows a trend up sometimes where, you're not sweating everything. And so something that's up 2,000%, okay, because it was all the way down here, 2,000%. I'll show it to you in another chart like this. Okay, this is the life of the chart here too, the life of the stock. That's been nicely going up over time, buying down here, coming back later. Oh, look at me. Oh, look how rich I am. That kind of thing. It can give you some peace of mind. Like, okay, I don't have to sweat this every day. So I wanted to show a stock like this. So now, what is it? It's Arista. I'm telling you, you have to do your homework. I do not know everything or barely anything about it. Okay. It's on my radar because how it is right there, anything like this is on my radar. So here we could just look quickly, computer networking. Okay. Cloud, large data center, cloud computing, high performance and everything like that. Mr. Man right here, that's the CEO. Let's just take a quick look. I just like to look sometimes to see. Oh, Miss. Oh, she is doing it. Make it rain, lady. Do your thing. She is making it rain. Okay. She got that money coming in there. All right, here we go. Here's the stock again. And now, why am I talking about it? Because we have this happening. Okay. Price target to go up. Okay. From where we're trading now. So where are we? Okay. Around now. Over here, look at the right side of the screen, $292. They're saying what? Let's look at it again. They're saying, hold on, get my little marker. Okay. Key Bank saying we can go up to 350, right? USB, UBS, USB, UBS. I'll probably make that mistake again, and that's funny. It says we can go to 285. All right. So let's see what would that look like. Okay, we're already above that 285. So the 350. So let's see over here, right side of the screen, 292, go up to a 350. All right, that would be there. You see the blue box, the third line in the blue box where it says 19%. So we would be a 19% gain. Okay, if we were buying now. All right, 19% gain. So why show it? Because sometimes, we just want to have these stress-free plays where we can have our money in something and we're not sweating the whole thing. And, summer's coming and they say may go away for the stocks. So even if, we buy on dips or whatever, we feel it could go up. Oh, here's my cat. The cat is the owner of the house. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. She's really the true owner of this house and everything. This is why I'm making the videos. She makes me do it. She forces me. All right. She wants me to play with her. So let me just show you the trend line real quick. All righty. So she's going to get me later for not playing with her. If you never see me again, my cat did me in. Okay. So here we go. This trend line. Now, do you see before? Let me just get my marker. We hit this area. We bounced down. It was a resistance. But when we broke through with this green candle, right, and later came back down, boom, it was support. Okay, so this price point, okay, is support. Just give me a second. Okay, as I was saying, this price point is, okay, so going over here to the side, so around here. Okay, so let's say 248, around there, that's support level, right? So now, when we bounce, maybe we'll bounce back down here. I don't know when we'll come back around that area, but I put my little reminder, okay, there we go. I put a question mark. I always put a question mark because it depends what the market is doing when we come back to that level. Why do I change the sound? Because I have a sound for day trading, I have a sound for swing trades. Okay, so when we hit around this level, I go, okay, let me buy in this area here, this price area, for a ride up again. Now we're already here. We could just keep going because what am I saying? Okay, so right here, you see before we had a little choppy chop when we got to this area. Anytime we get to like 250, 300, like whole numbers like 300, 400, sometimes there's resistance because people take profits. They have their things already set in their in their platforms, brokerages. Oh, give me some, take off some profit when I hit like 300. So we hit and we came down. So when we come back up again, okay, because we're at 293, it may be some resistance and we may go down, but eventually we'll break above, right? So if you can either try to pick up some, but you don't know if when the stock will return or if it will, or you could wait till we get over this number, okay? So kind of like around here. So let's say if that was $312 or so, right? And then keep riding because you don't know like if it's once again going to do the same thing. So you could just wait and go a little bit above it and then pick it up. Okay, so that's the other move of how, let's say I'll go something like here. All right, hold on, let me set my alert. Yeah, we gotta set alerts because we have to take action. Always question mark because it depends what the market is doing at that time. Like I said, right? Because if the market is falling like a hot mess, okay, I'm not going in right then. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Let's keep moving on. Okay, so like I said, why we're setting these alerts, why we want to get in, because they say it's going to be going up, right? And I like to buy strategically, right? So you see, I'm saying, because I want to buy it on some kind of support levels. Okay, so I'm trying to buy on some kind of support levels or after we clear above this hot mess. Because see, I don't want to get stuck in choppity chop, 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 just sideways action, just sideways action. I'm trying to either get down here or get above here. Follow my channel. You're going to see more of that where I say, okay, this is where where I want to get in. All right, so this is the same. This is them. Same stock. This is the investor page. Okay, just wanted to show you that here. This is where they're saying, okay, we're an industry leader, data-driven, cloud networking. Here's this word we all love, AI. All right, you have to do your homework on this. Okay, because I'm following it because of how the chart looks. Okay, I'm a technical person, technical analysis. That's where I thrive because sometimes I find, and not sometimes, you've seen it, a company can be doing good, but their stock is a hot doggone mess. I'm not holding a stock just because the company, oh, I believe in the company. I'll come back when the stock is making some money. I'm here for the money. Let's not get it twisted. I'm making my own luck by working hard. We're going to talk about a quote at the end of this video. Outperform. I like that. That is beautiful. So now here we go. You see this 2,000 right there? Boop, boop. Okay? 2,000 for the whole 10 years. Okay. Now this part here, I wouldn't have held for that. So when I'm talking about stock, I'm not telling you hold it for the rest of your life, people. You know, hold it for a while it's doing well. And then when you see you're plateauing or whatever, like let's let go, just let go. And we move on to something else that's going up like this. Okay. That's what I do. So you can keep building your portfolio, like the money, keep building. We don't have time to level out and stay like that. No. Okay. We feast now. This is the same stock. This is in FinViz. Look at all the green. A lot of stocks don't have green like all over. A little bit of red here, fine. But a lot of green. We like that. See here, down here? Hold on, let me just move this up for some people. All right, if you can see this. Okay, so Jeffries, right? Okay, price target, 320, adjusted it upward. So there's price targets adjusting it upward. I like that. So I just wanted to make sure I showed you that. I don't want to take up a lot of you guys' time. I know we're all busy. We're all doing things and everything. So I just want to leave you with this quote. I'm a great believer in luck, And I find the harder I work, the more I have of it. That's right, people. We're going to make our own luck here, right? By working hard, finding these stocks, getting in on support levels, doing what we need to do, okay, to make our own luck. We're not waiting for no handout. That's not what we do here. Who quoted that? Thomas Jefferson, third president of the United States of America. Peace. I'll see you next time on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.